Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by installing the MSVC toolset. Open Visual Studio Installer and choose Desktop Development with C++. Once done, make sure the Windows SDK and the latest MSVC toolset are selected because the compiler and headers come from them. Create a new console app, C++, name the project, and set target platform to x86 or x64 depending on your needs. This immediately gives you a working main, CPP, and proper project files, so you can compile a first test build. You now configure compilation and linking, open project properties, and select the platform toolset and C++ language standard to control optimization and features. Once set, add any additional include directories for headers and additional dependencies for linker inputs so the compiler finds libraries. Make sure the runtime library matches your libraries, static versus DLL. Add source and header files, or integrate packages with vcpkg/NuGet. Then switch between debug and release configurations to test correct behavior under different optimizations. You finish by building and running the project. Press Build Solution and check the output and error list to locate compile or linker errors. Once running, set breakpoints and use step into, step over, and the locals/watch windows to trace logic and inspect variables. Make sure to test both debug and release builds. If something goes wrong, one key troubleshooting tip: verify that library paths and runtime libraries match the project configuration, mismatched runtimes, or missing. Lib paths cause most link failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.